Hi student, I am Asya Tiwari, SSC teacher, and today in the 11th class our topic is in the geography lesson India location from the books India physical environment. So student, today is our second video and it is very important video for the India location. In 9th class, as I told you, we study the size and location, but in 11th class we will study only the location. So student, in the first today we will see the latitude and longitude. So it is very important term to understand. If you understand this term, it will help you to well understand the whole lesson. Otherwise it may create the problem for all the student. So as I told you that latitude and longitude, these are the two terms, and which I told you also on yesterday. So latitude means the lines which are running from earth from west to east direction. These are the latitude lines, and longitude lines which are running from north to south direction. So these are the very important line, and in the you will say earth, because these lines are the you will say imaginary line. So these lines are running in such a way. So which line I am drawing? These are the latitude lines, and these are running from, we'll say, west to east direction, and these are the longitude lines which are running from north to east direction, north to south direction, and they are running from point to point. So the network of this line are known as a grid, earth grid. So what we see here, these lines are in the 180 number, and these lines are in the 360 numbers. That is very important and understand. Second thing, all these lines are parallel, and these lines are not parallel to each other, not parallel. That is very important to understand. Next thing is understand well that these lines which are running from means each line is not equal. Each line not equal, and every line equal. That is very important thing to understand. So all these study will help you to understand well the lesson, and what is the importance of these lines in the lesson. Actually, you are watching here that there are 68 degree 7 8 degree 4 north, 97 degree 25 east, 37 degree 6 north. So these lines which are running from there, so these are the such lines, and their degree are there. It means these are the latitude lines, and these are the longitude lines. So student, this is very important, you will say numbers to understand the area of India. If you see the length from India from west to east and north to south. So there you will say area is near about 3240 kilometer, and it is near about 2933 kilometer. If I ask you what is the area of India, 3.28 million square kilometer. So these are the latitude lines, and their degree is 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north, and these are the longitude lines. Their degree is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. I have told you about the north and east. Why do we write the degree east and north? Because India lies there. As I told you, if this is the equator line, so India is there, and this is the northeast part. So we will also write with the degree north and east also. So it is very important. Second thing, we will also understand the importance of this latitude and longitude degree in our next lecture on tomorrow, because today only I will tell you the differences between the both lines. So these lines which are running from the globe from east to west direction, from north to south direction, and they are very, very important. But all these lines are not very actual line. These are the imaginary line. Means in the globe with these lines cannot be appear. आप में से बहुत से बच्चे ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं कि सर ये लाइन तो हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, बट ये लाइन तो है ही नहीं देखा जाए एक्चुअल में. ये लाइन क्या है कि हमने अपनी स्टडी को और ज़्यादा अच्छा बनाने के लिए इन लाइंस को हमने, क्योंकि ग्लोब जो कि एक प्रकार का मॉडल है अर्थ को समझने के लिए, उसमें इस प्रकार की लाइनों को, ठीक है ना, ड्रॉ किया गया है, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से स्टडी करते समय हेल्प मिलती है हमें. सो उम्मीद है स्टूडेंट्स कि आपको ये लेक्चर बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा आज का ज्योग्राफी 11th क्लास का. और कल हम लोग इसके आगे बात करेंगे कि जो लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड लाइंस है, इनकी हम लोग क्या मतलब इसकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. अगर इन लाइन को हटा देंगे तो हमको क्या नुकसान होगा, हम क्या नहीं स्टडी कर पाएंगे. ऐसी बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो कि हमको कल और आगे आने वाले वीडियो में और हम लोग अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ें. हम चाहते हैं कि हम बहुत विस्तार से आपके सामने सारी चीज़ें लेके आएँ, जो कि आपको हर तरीके से वो सुविधाजनक आपके लिए स्टडी तैयार करती रहेंगी. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग मी एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो.